In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to use the notification bar feature. So, hover over the notification bar on the left menu. You will see two options. You can view all your notification bars, or you can create a new one. I will be showing you how to create one first. Click on New Notification Bar. You can give a name to this notification bar by entering a title. This is just for your sake, the customers will not see this title. Then, select a message type. Each message type will have different settings. I will show examples of each message type later in the video. At the moment, I have products and cart selected as the message type. The message will appear once the products are in the customer's cart. You can use these placeholders to edit the text. You can select certain products that when added, the message will appear. Or you can choose to exclude certain products. If you leave these blank, then the notification will appear for all products. You can set the required quantity and the threshold quantity. The required quantity field is the minimum number of product the customer should have in their cart. The threshold quantity is the minimum product quantity to show the message. You can set a simple message type. Just type your message in this field. You can set a minimum amount message type. You can use the placeholder to edit the message. You can set the minimum order amount. This is the price that the user needs to reach. You can set the threshold amount. This is the minimum price required for the notification to appear. You can choose to exclude coupon amount. If you enable this, the discounted price after a coupon has been applied will not be shown in the notification bar. The default price will be shown. You can choose to hide the message if certain products are in the cart. You can set a deadline notification. Enter the start hour and the deadline hour. Then in the deadline days field, enter which days you want to show this message. You can set up a referrer message type. Just type the message and enter the referrer URL. After you select a message type, choose a custom notification layout. I will show you the 6 notification layouts. This is the simple bar layout. This is the dual tone bar with flag icon layout. This is the white info bar layout. This is the light orange bar with open box icon layout. This is the gray bar with luggage icon layout. This is the dark orange bar with shipment layout. You can choose to show it to only logged in users, or only to guests, or you can choose to show it to both. You can choose to restrict certain countries from seeing the notification. You can set a start and end date. If you leave it blank, then it will always be displayed. You can choose to show the notification on the cart page, the checkout page, the shop page, and the single product page. In this case, I have all of it selected. I will show you where each of these options show the notification bar. The shop option shows the notification bar on the store page. Let's say I do not want the notification bar to appear in the store page. Just deselect it. Then click on Update. Then refresh your stores page. As you see, the notification bar does not appear in the store page anymore. The cart option shows the notification bar on the cart page as you see here. The checkout option will show the notification bar on the checkout page as you see here. Then finally, the single product option will show the notification bar in any products page. As you see, the notification bar appears on the products page. You can choose where the notification appears in the cart page. For example, I have selected the Before Cart Contents option. On the cart page, it would appear here. Another example is if I select the After Cart Contents option. It would appear here under the cart table. Lastly, you can choose to show the Added to Cart pop-up. Now, you can edit the status of the notification. You can change it to Published, to Pending Review, or to Draft. If you want to delete this notification bar, then click on Move to Trash. That's all you need to know about this page. I will show you some examples of using this feature. Here is the first example. I chose Simple Message as my message type, and Simple Bar as my custom layout. This is how it looks like on my store. In this example, I selected the minimum amount as the message type. I set the minimum price to $400. And the threshold to $1. The placeholder called remaining amount will subtract the customer's cart from $400 and display the amount left after subtraction. I chose the gray bar with luggage icon as my custom layout. I chose to show this message only in the cart and checkout page. This is what it looks like. As you see, my cart has $17.54. The placeholder subtracted this amount from the $400 and displays the remaining amount. As you see, it also appears in the checkout page. Another example could be using the deadline message type. I set the start hour as 1 a.m. And I set the deadline hour as 8 p.m. And I set the deadline day as Tuesday. This means that the notification will show on Tuesday between 1 a.m. to 8 p.m. I chose to show this in the shop page and the single product page. As you see, this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like on the products page. Now, I will be showing you the all notifications bar page. You will see all the notifications you created here on this page. You can see the title, the message type, the message, and the date. You can search for notifications in a specific month. You can use this search filter to search for specific titles. If you click on the title text, you can arrange it alphabetically in ascending or descending order. You can also click on the date text to sort in ascending or descending order. Now, up here, you can choose to see all the notifications, or you can choose to see the ones that are published, or you can choose to see the ones that are in trash. That's all you need to know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.